In a world where 85% of the jobs that will exist in 2030 haven't even been invented yet, it's clear that the skills needed for success are rapidly evolving. The rise of artificial intelligence, automation, and other technological advancements mean that the job market is constantly changing. The key to staying ahead of the curve? Acquiring high-value skills that will be in demand, no matter what the future holds. So, what are these high-value skills that students must learn in 2023? Let's delve in. First on the list is critical thinking. This is a skill that dissecting and appraising information with a neutral view. It's about challenging concepts, scrutinizing evidence, and crafting well-informed verdicts. Critical thinking is a cherished attribute in a plethora of industries, and is also a crucial part of personal growth. In an era saturated with information, the demand for critical thinkers is skyrocketing. So brace yourself, and start honing into this high-value skill today. Moving on, let's delve into the realm of creativity. This skill is all about thinking outside the box and conjuring innovative solutions. It's about transcending traditional ideas, patterns, or methods to create meaningful new ideas, forms, methods, and interpretations. In the ever-evolving tech industry, creativity is not just admired, it's a necessity. The ability to innovate, to invent, and to solve problems creatively can distinguish you from the crowd. It's what helps companies stay ahead of the curve and pushes individuals to reach new heights in their career. So, don't be afraid to let your imagination run wild, because your next creative idea might just be the game changer the world has been waiting for. Remember, creativity is inventing, experimenting, growing, taking risks, breaking rules, making mistakes, and having fun. Next on our list is communication. This skill is the bridge that connects people, ideas, and understanding. In a professional setting, effective communication is absolutely key. It's not just about speaking or writing clearly, it's also about listening actively and understanding others. Communication is a two-way street. When you express your ideas effectively, you can inspire, motivate, and lead. On the flip side, when you listen and understand others, you build trust, foster collaboration, and create a positive work environment. In our increasingly interconnected world, this skill is not just beneficial, it's essential. Whether you're presenting a project, negotiating a deal, or simply discussing an idea, your ability to communicate can make all the difference. So, hone your communication skills, because the power of words can shape reality. Remember, the art of communication is the language of leadership. Moving forward, we delve into collaboration. Collaboration is the art of working together, building on each other's ideas, and striving towards a common goal. This skill is vital in the modern professional world, where projects often require diverse perspectives and multifaceted solutions. It's not just about getting along with others, it's about effectively combining your strengths. Collaboration fosters innovation, as different viewpoints come together to create something unique. It's about understanding your role within a team, appreciating others' contributions, and navigating towards a collective success. Think about it. When minds meet, ideas multiply. Whether you're part of a small startup or a large corporation, your ability to collaborate can be the key to unlocking unprecedented solutions. So, focus on building your collaborative skills. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work. Next on our list is adaptability. In a world that's changing at a breakneck pace, the ability to adapt is more important than ever. Adaptability is about being open to change, about being flexible when things don't go as planned. It's about pivoting quickly and effectively when faced with new challenges or unexpected roadblocks. Think of it as your survival skill in the modern professional jungle. In a world where new technologies, strategies, and ideas emerge every day, your willingness and ability to learn and grow can set you apart. It's not just about reacting to change, but actively embracing it, seeking it out, and even being the catalyst for it. Whether it's a change in job roles, business strategies, or even entire industries, your adaptability can be your most potent weapon, so nurture this skill. Remember, the only constant in life is change. Those who adapt, survive, and thrive. Moving on to our next high-value skill, technological literacy. In this digital age, being tech-savvy is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Technological literacy is about more than just understanding how to use various software or gadgets. It's about understanding the underlying concepts and principles that drive the technology we use every day. Think of it as your navigation tool in the digital world. This skill can help you adapt to new technologies faster, make better use of the tools at your disposal, and even provide insights into how technology can be used to solve real-world problems. It involves staying updated with the latest technological trends and understanding their impact on your industry. Whether it's cloud computing, AI, machine learning, or data science, having a solid grasp of the technological landscape can give you a competitive edge. So, don't shy away from technology. Embrace it, learn it, and use it to your advantage. Remember, in the digital age, those who understand technology control the future. Moving forward, let's delve into our next high-value skill: data literacy. In a world where data is the new oil, understanding how to extract, interpret, and use data is a skill of paramount importance. Data literacy involves the ability to read, work with, analyze, and argue with data. It's not just about handling numbers or being able to use a spreadsheet. It involves understanding what the data means, how it was collected, and what its implications are. Think of it as being fluent in the language of data. With the rise of big data and data-driven decision-making, being data literate can help you make informed decisions, predict trends, and understand customer behavior. Whether you're in marketing, sales, HR, or any other field, data literacy can give you an edge. It's about making data work for you, rather than being overwhelmed by it. Remember, in the era of information, those who understand data hold the power. Next on our list of high-value skills is leadership. Leadership is much more than just being in charge. It's about guiding, inspiring, and motivating others to achieve a common goal. This skill is highly valued across industries and roles. But what does it mean to be a good leader? A good leader doesn't just delegate tasks. They set the vision, create an inspiring environment, and empower their team to take ownership and excel. Leadership also involves making tough decisions, taking responsibility, and navigating through challenges. It's about having the courage to step forward and the humility to step back when needed. In a rapidly changing world, leaders are those who can adapt, innovate, and inspire others to do the same. So whether you're a manager, a team leader, or just starting your career, cultivating your leadership skills can set you apart. Remember, leadership is not about the title or the position. It's about impact, influence, and inspiration. As we continue our journey through high-value skills, let's talk about problem solving. In the face of challenges, the ability to identify problems and devise effective solutions is crucial. This skill is about being able to dissect a situation, understand its components, and come up with creative, practical solutions. Problem solving is not about avoiding difficulties, but rather it's about embracing them as opportunities to learn and grow. It's about being proactive, analytical, and innovative. It involves critical thinking, creativity, and adaptability, and it's highly valued across a wide range of industries and roles. Whether you're a programmer debugging code, a manager resolving conflicts, or a designer crafting user experiences, your problem-solving skills can set you apart. So how do you improve this skill? Start by embracing challenges. Seek opportunities to solve problems in your daily life. Practice thinking critically and creatively. Learn from your mistakes and don't be afraid to take risks. Remember, in the world of problem solving, every failure is a stepping stone to success. Moving forward, let's discuss a skill that often serves as the unsung hero of productivity and success: time management. The ability to effectively use your time is crucial in achieving your goals. This skill is not about being busy, but about being productive. It's about prioritizing tasks, setting achievable goals, and maintaining focus. Think of time as a resource, just like money. You have to spend it wisely to get the best results. In a world where distractions are always at your fingertips, mastering time management can make a significant difference. This skill is not just about work. It can also help you create a balance between your professional and personal life. Time management is about making smart choices so you can spend your time doing the things that matter most to you. So how can you improve this skill? Start by setting clear goals. Break down your tasks into manageable parts. Use tools and techniques like calendars, to-do lists, and time blocking. And most importantly, learn to say no when necessary. Remember, time is the one resource we can't get more of. How you manage it can make all the difference in your life and career. So there you have it. The 10th and final high-value skill everyone must learn in 2023, emotional intelligence. Often overlooked, this skill is integral to thriving in any professional environment. Emotional intelligence, or EQ, involves the ability to understand and manage your own emotions, as well as those of the people around you. It doesn't just improve your interpersonal relationships, it's invaluable building and maintaining relationships in the workplace. Imagine being able to navigate a tense meeting, diffuse conflicts, or inspire your team to work towards a common goal. all because you understand the emotional landscape of your colleagues. That's the power of emotional intelligence. Leadership roles especially benefit from high EQ. Leaders who show empathy, understanding their team members' motivations and concerns, are more to build trust and encourage productivity. So if you're looking to excel in don't neglect emotional intelligence. Building your EQ is equally as important as any technical skill. Remember, people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. And there you have it, the 10 high-value skills every student must learn in 2023. Critical thinking, creativity, communication, collaboration, adaptability, emotional intelligence, technological literacy, leadership, problem solving, and time management. Always remember, the best investment you can make is in your own abilities. Stay tuned to Learnus for more valuable content. Don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments.